Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. First, thank you for the opportunity to speak to you. I'd like to present our scheme with title Sword Type Microbubble Generator Application in Artificial Wastewater Treatment. And at the second time, let me introduce the speaker and the author teams. The speakers I am is Derajat Indah Mawarni, and the author team is Mr. Hartono Guntur Ristianto. We are from Sekolah Tinggi Teknologi Ronggolawe Cepu, Center Java. We all know water is a basic need for living creatures. Protection of water quality is very important because it greatly influences the quality of life of living creatures. The growth in the number of living creatures and industry causes the consumption of clean water to increase. On the other hand, the amount of waste produced by human and industrial activities is also increasing, and the availability of clean water is decreasing. One of the wastewater treatment methods that has recently been widely used is biological aerobic wastewater treatment because it is more environmentally friendly than chemical and physical wastewater treatment. The problem with biological wastewater treatment system is that they require sufficient oxygen supply for microorganisms to decompose waste. So an aeration technology is needed that is capable of producing optimal dissolved oxygen in wastewater. Microbubble generator is micron-sized bubble generator technology that effectively increase the dissolved oxygen content in water, like Panli say at 2006 in the Hitachi Research Laboratory. So let me start with the first point. A microbubble is defined as a bubble with a diameter range in millimeter and micrometer. Microbubble characteristic is have high gas dissolution in the water, low rising velocity in the water, and high interfacial area. Many applications of microbubble very large in agriculture, aquaculture, electronic household appliance, in industries, and medical environment. Liu at 2013 research about microbubble application in biological waste processing. The result of his research is stable chemical oxygen demand reduction can be achieved. Research many design of microbubble generator type at 1985 by Lecoffre et al. Creates a microbubble generator injector type, and then Juana et al. At 2019 create the microbubble generator porous orifice type. Researchers using microbubble generators Sword type, and here in this slide we can say this is the microbubble generators Sword type consisting of inlet water channel and then a swirling chamber and then a mixing channel. Water enter the tangential inlet channel, which located on the swirling chamber, will be ordered on form a swirling flow. Under this condition, the ratio of the angular momentum to the axial momentum flux increase. Hence, the turbulent intensity also increases significantly. Automatically, the pressure at the center of the vortex is decreased. A sudden construction in the mixing channel will decrease the water pressure below the atmospheric pressure. Hence, the air is sucked in automatically. The two passes of air and water are mixed in the mixing channel, which then becomes a bubbly flow and will be broken down due to the sudden enlargement at the microbubble generator outlet. This is the apparatus experiment experimental, like in this slide. Here the water was used as tested liquid and air at atmospheric pressure as the case. The test section was a glass-walled tube with a thickness of 13 millimeters, the length of 280 centimeters, a width of 60 centimeters, a height is 60 centimeters, filled with water with a height of 40 centimeters. The microbubble generator was placed 20 centimeters below the water surface. The water was in closed circulation by using a centrifugal pump, whereas the discharge water flow rate was varied by adjusting the pump rotating using variable speed drive, measured using a water rotameter. And then recording the microbubble. In general, the implementation of this method can be divided into two parts. One, image recording with a digital camera, and two, image processing using developed source codes in a commercial MATLAB software. Measurement of the volumetric mass transfer coefficient of oxygen using theory Lewis and Whitman at 19 and 24. For the chemical oxygen demand reduction testing using Blackman and Viratne theory, and then the testing step are as follow, like in the slide. The result influence of water flow rates to diameter bubble diameter is increasing water flow rates will be decreasing by bubble diameter, vice versa. Opposite with water flow rate, the air flow rates, increasing air flow rate will be increasing bubble diameter, vice versa. For the volumetric mass transfer coefficient oxygen, increasing water flow rate will be increasing volumetric mass transfer coefficient oxygen. And then for the application microbubble generator in artificial wastewater treatment, microbubble can be decreasing chemical oxygen demand in the artificial wastewater. Conclusion: 1. The result of the microbubble generator performance evaluation that have been carried out are as follows. A. An increase in water debit causes a decrease in the diameter of the bubble fork and the bubble distribution is more uniform. B. An increase in airflow causes an increase in the diameter of the bubbles formed. C. The volumetric mass transfer coefficient is influenced by water discharge. An increase in water discharge will be increase the volumetric mass transfer coefficient. 2. The successful evaluation of the performance of the microbubble generator in reducing chemical oxygen demand in biological wastewater treatment follows. E. An increase in water and debit and air debit will be increased the rate of decrease of saturation chemical oxygen demand in the artificial wastewater. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.